In this video, I will show you how to permanently delete your Messenger account. To start, you can open your Messenger application, as well as it is better you can up-to-date this application. After opening, tap the menu icon in the bottom right corner. Then you have to select Settings. After opening, you have to scroll all the way to the bottom until you find Account Center. After opening Account Center, select Personal Details. Tap Account Ownership and Control, then select Deactivation or Deletion. Here, you have to select Facebook. Now you can see the default selection is deactivation, so you have to change it to delete account. Check delete Facebook account. Now just tap the continue button. Here, you have to re-enter your password. Then tap the continue again. Now scroll all the way to the bottom. At the bottom, you have to select delete my account. Then you will get this pop-up message. Now your account scheduled for permanently deletion, as well as you will receive an email. Your account scheduled for deletion. Instead of deleting, if you want to temporarily deactivate it, you can find the video link in the description or click this end screen video and come on over. Later.